That is beautiful.
I'm excited.
Me too. I knew you guys would have fun.
Dad, what water did you use that straw on?
Oh, ain't this awesome?
Can I take my shoes off and put on?
Well, of course you can. This is why I wanted you to wear tennis shoes, but it is totally okay.
Can I have some more shots of straw here?
Do what?
You guys want to try the straw here?
Yeah. Let me go get it. Kinley, I got a towel if you want to do it too. You can dry your feet. Man, this is so cool. Love bringing my babies out to do stuff like this. Kinley is dying to try this survival straw. Let me show you all this. This thing is super cool. All right. This right here, we're gonna go and let her try it. You pop this, you pop that, boom, and then you freaking drink, baby. Fresh water, right out this beautiful river. It looks clean enough. I know it looks like you could do it, but you can't. This is the straw. You want to drink some water? Come on, you want to drink some fresh river water?
Yeah, you do it first.
All right.
You're gonna taste my foot. You're tasting my foot. You're tasting my foot. Tastes good? Can I try?
You're going to be surprised.
Can I try? Tastes like normal water?
It tastes like bottled water. Let me get the camera. Crazy, huh? I told you.
Oh my God. That's great.
I told you. It's hard to believe.
How? How?
It's good, huh?
How does it taste like normal water?
Ty's like, I don't know what the big deal is. You don't need one of these things. Gosh, look at this place.
I want to put my feet in the water.
All right, go take your shoes off by our bag. Come on, Ellabelle, let's go down here. Okay. Let's step in. I'm gonna step in. Holy moly, it's cold.
Whoa! I am the king of the rocks.
You are the queen of the rocks. Be careful, Kinley Pooh.
Fire? I'm going over there, fire.
Okay. It's so cold. Wow, it calms down over here, huh?
Yeah.
Watch your feet, because there could be glass and stuff. Yeah. What'd you see?
Should we go through these sticks?
Yeah, I mean, if you're up for it, I am.
I am.
Come over this way though. Look at this. I got a path right here.
That?
Yeah. Come over here.
I'm here. Ooh. Nice. This is the easiest way I've ever.
Wow. Look, there's a bridge right there.
Oh. You can look down.
Very cool. Kinley, how you doing back there?
Perfect drop.
Talking about Phil. Hey, be careful.
I was surfboarding.
Oh, was you?
Yeah.
Look, that's the waterfall right there.
No, we can go up that bridge.
Titan, what are you doing? You're gonna go down the waterfall. You better get over here, crazy. You girls wanna go get the stuff and go to the waterfall?
Yeah.
All right, let's go get our stuff. Good job, Ella. Come on, Titan. Now we're all grounding to the earth together. Oh, here's the big reveal. Check this out.
That's where we go
It is. What do you guys think up there? Come on, Ella. He's right here. Are you girls ready?
Yeah.
Let's go see some fish. Nice.
I did it all by myself.
Good job there, Ella Bell.
Thank you.
All right, let's go say hi to this guy and his fish. We just seen a fisherman down there. He got a whole basket full of fish. So we gotta go say hi to him. Wow, this is so cool. Titan, we're going this way, buddy. Come on, Titan. Penny on tails, I'm gonna flip it to heads for somebody out there. So when they find it, maybe they got good luck. Y'all take it slow now. Titan, this way.
Ryan.
Come on, boy. We're going fast. He's fast, ain't he? Hey. Hey, sir, huh? Well, girls, what do you think about it?
Oh, Dad, can I go to the playground now?
You want to go to the playground now?
Lizzie!
Guess we're going to go to the playground now. Titan, what are you doing? Look at Titan.